Take a moment to observe the strokes of grass I am going to show you now. For this painting, I am using titanium white, lemon yellow, medium yellow, sap green, crimson red and lamp black. The brushes I'll be using are a detail liner brush and an angular brush. Let's jump into the painting. First, I'm mixing sap green with a touch of crimson red, medium yellow and just a little lamp black. This gives us a nice deep dark green color. Using the angular brush, I'll start shaping the basic structure of the grass. Now I'll add a little lemon yellow and medium yellow to that same dark green. And with the liner brush, draw individual blades of grass, one stroke at a time. Once that layer is done, I'll add a bit more lemon yellow to the mixture and keep drawing more blades. After that, I'll add more lemon yellow and titanium white to the mixture and keep drawing more blades, this time following the direction of the light source. For the final touches, I'm mixing in some titanium white along with lemon yellow to create the highlights. With gentle strokes, I'll add these highlights to brighten up the grass tips. And that's it, our grass painting is now complete.